Have you ever tried to open a PDF file and it suddenly just won't open? Or worse, it opens but shows weird symbols, blank pages, or missing content. Now that's one of the most frustrating things, especially when it's something important. Maybe it's a contract, a report, a school document, or something important, but now it's completely unusable. In most cases, this happens because the file is corrupted. This can be caused by incomplete downloads, transfer errors, outdated software, or even system crashes. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through 5 proven ways to repair a damaged or corrupted PDF file. First, try to download the file again. Sometimes the file gets corrupted during download due to network interruptions. If you can, go back to the original source and download a fresh copy. This alone can fix the problem instantly. Next, try opening the file with a different PDF reader. You can use Adobe Acrobat, your browser, or another viewer. Sometimes the issue isn't the file, it's the software compatibility. You can also try online PDF repair tools. Just upload the file and the system will attempt to rebuild it. These tools can recover content partially or completely depending on the damage. But keep in mind, they usually have file size limits and may not work for heavily damaged files. Another method is to convert the PDF into another format, like Word or images, and then recreate it. This works because it rebuilds the file structure. It's a bit more manual, I'll agree, but sometimes it helps recover the most important content. If none of the previous methods worked, the file is likely more seriously damaged. At that point, manual fixes usually aren't enough. In situations like this, using a dedicated repair tool is often the most reliable option. I tried using a tool called 4dig File Repair. What it does is it scans the PDF structure and rebuilds the damaged parts automatically. You simply import the file, click Repair, and export the fixed version. Here's the original file, and here's the repaired version. As you can see, the file opens normally again, and the content is restored. What I like about this approach is you don't need to guess what went wrong. It's especially helpful when the file is heavily damaged or none of the basic methods work. So here's a quick recap. Simple issues can often be fixed by re-downloading or switching readers. Online tools and conversion methods can help in some cases, but for more serious corruption, a dedicated repair tool is often the most effective solution. Hopefully one of these methods helped you recover your file. If you're still having trouble, feel free to share your situation in the comments and let me know which method worked best for you. Also, tell me what kind of problems you'd like for me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips.